video.
It's awful light, isn't it? Oh God, Lucy. You didn't really show them that very well, did you?
Yeah, there's one more.
Number 7. Okay.
Is she alright or not?
Yeah, she's fine.
There's a double of uprights at the end on a one stride.
Where's she off now?
8, 9 across, and then you double of uprights to end, coming down the arena. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, she said the long 4.
Now where's she? Oh,
Double of
yeah.
uprights.
Wait. Oh, boys, mate. She finished now.
Yeah.
Yes, good round that, Lucy. Well done. So